everyone. Let's get bricky.
Hey everyone, I'm MacGyver, and welcome to another fun little Lego build for all of you guys. Any of you who live in our surrounding county of Sioux County here in Iowa, you know that during this quarantine, I have been helping the Sioux Center Public Library out with doing a couple little Lego challenge vids for them. And so, one of the days that I had for them is for floor, to build different things of flowers and trees and everything, to either build something we have, don't have, and make something up. And one of those things that I had made were these fun flowers. Now obviously this one here looks a lot more flowery like and very, very simply made, while the other one is very much more strange and not before seen. Very different, very spiky. And so this video is going to detail how you guys can build these exact ones yourself. Now, obviously there is a little bit of an issue in the program to where these little black discs, I had to put two 2x2 circular pieces, so they look like little circles. They have 4 studs on top. I had to combine 2 of them, put them onto the small little round plate, and then put the black thing. It won't snap them together like you can in real life, where it gives it a nice snug fit. So feel free to do it either way you wish. But yeah, I really like making these flowers. This one was obviously a lot easier because I was going for a much more circular flower shape. So using those octagonal hinge pieces there, and then just offsetting one by what would come out to, I believe, 30 degrees. Yeah. That way it goes in between every other. I really like it. I had enough for the colors as well to keep them the same. I normally don't really always have that, so it was nice to have something very nice and uniform, very nice to present. And then the other one was just something I just started building, these little, almost like circles made out of 1x1 bricks that have the 4 studs along its side. And just making these little balls and then attaching them to the big one. And it just looked, you know, very roundish. And then I added the spikes, and I think that really added that little extra pizzazz. You'll also see that in there for these little balls that some of them have 2 studs out, and then it's the round discs. On my actual one, it's just one single one. Because of tolerances, you can have it to where the pieces aren't fully clicked together. So you can have it to where you only use one for all of them. For the program, it says to use 2 because it doesn't have that tolerance issue of not being able to click. But I think it looks good either way you do it, whether you have a couple that are a little further out or not. I think it just adds to the design and makes it look really nice. Then I was very surprised at these leaf guys. You just connect one of these long ones onto the back of one of these little fat guys, which I thought was very cool looking. So here are the instructions here that are going to play in just a moment, so I hope you guys enjoy. So that is how you can build these two wonderful flowers of mine yourself. Obviously, you don't have to use the same colors. I was very lucky in what I had on hand at the time, which does not normally happen if you've seen some of my Lego builds. So feel free to do in whatever colors you like. I'm sure this one will look really cool in like more of a light purple and black, or maybe even a purple or something. That would look really, really cool. And yeah, if you guys have flowers that you guys have made that you think are super cool, or do these in your own, feel free to send me pics. Message me on Facebook, send me a link into the comments below, tell me how you guys turned out making your own, and yeah, I'd love to hear and see how much fun you guys have had with this topic. Got another one doing for that's going to be posted here as well, so go check that one out and enjoy. As always, I have been Lego MacGyver. To all you master builders out there, stay bricky, keep building, and I'll see you all next time.